Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Went to rchopups website, saw that they got some new lights in, and I grabbed a pair of each. I'm going to put this probably on the front of my speed car so I can see the front. And I'm going to put these on the tailgate, like on the back bumper of my TRX4 for like backup lights. Be pretty cool. So I'm gonna plug these in and show you guys. It's got the board on it, so you can control it from the controller, or you can control it from the board here. It's got a button on there that you can change light modes, probably blinking, I would imagine. And they're all like that. So they all come with that circuit board in there. So you already have, so you can use your controller for to turn everything on and off. Okay. So that being said, rchopups, go to their website, rchopups.us. You can use my code, rcs, to get 10% off the whole entire website. So whatever you order on there. And they do free shipping in the United States. And they do ship worldwide, but it's going to cost, I think it's, as of last time, it was $29.99. Here's the part number for these lights. They are 20 millimeter. There's two of them. It says shell is metal. It comes with all the hardware to bolt them on. A couple mounts. Bunch of different screws. They're Allen head screws, so that's a plus. Little nuts. This one actually came with two. Oh, okay. I think that was a mistake, but that's cool. Yeah, check these bad boys out. These will look nice on the back of the TRX4 on the bumper. I got the Sport. So I'm gonna mount them right on the top of the bumper on each side, and drill a little hole, or depending on how the wire goes, and then just plug them into my receiver. I might need an extension, but we'll see. And this is, you know, shrink tubing on it, so it should be pretty much waterproof. I'm not gonna say guarantee it's waterproof, but and it doesn't say, so I would say it's not waterproof, but if you wanted to waterproof it, you could. So I got this car out to show you what the light switches do. I'm not even sure what they do. I just saw that it did stuff on there, so you can change. And I actually have the remote to do that, but I'm not going to do that. You guys know how. Plug it into the number 3 or 4 of my controller and press the key. I did it on the maxx, so that video I'll post either before this or after this. Shows you how I did that. So I'm gonna plug it into number 4. Black always goes to the outside usually. Let's plug this bad boy in. There they are. Sorry guys, I'm out of frame here. So there's the lights. Little switch here. So they start blinking and flashing. You know, woo, woo, woo. And then they do a total strobe. Okay. Whew. Those are bright, guys. I don't know how they are going to be on camera, but they're bright to the eyes. And then off. So you can control it here, or by using the remote on your controller. You can put it on a 3rd channel or 4th channel, and you can use the button. Okay. Same with all of these. So you have a what do you have? Let me see. So you have a 20 millimeter, and then this is a 50 millimeter, 100 millimeter, and 150 millimeter. They all do the same. They even have a light bar for the SEX6. If you guys are Anybody has an SCX6 and needs a light bar, they sell that too. They do sell another 3mm light kit. Go to the website. So yeah, so I'm gonna install these on that one day. I just wanted to show you what I picked up from them. I picked up some other things for my SCX24 too, which I'll be making another video on that. But I'll show you guys these lights. You know, you don't have to just put them on your crawlers. You can put them on the front of your speed cars, just so you know which direction they're going. Your street cars, play with them at night. You know, all that stuff, guys. That's what the hobby's about. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and go to rchopups.us. 10% discount code, Kurtz RCs, and have a great day.